How to see guide YouTube TV. So if you want to see the guide on your YouTube TV, then first of all, you just need to launch your YouTube TV application. And once you're here on the YouTube TV, first thing you can do is navigate through your search. So on smart TVs, what you need to do is you just need to search for the live part on your YouTube TV app. So you will have the live part on your YouTube TV, right? So you just need to simply find that and click on the live part option. And this part changes your schedule into a guide showing channels. So if you want to view the guides, then you just need to simply head over to the live part and you will have all of the guides showing channels, live shows, and upcoming programs. You need to use your remote to look through the channels and see the programs details before choosing what interests you. So that's the case on smart TVs. So if you're using your phones, then you just need to simply tap on the live part on the bottom of your YouTube TV app and move your finger up and down and look through the list of channels. Tap on the show to learn more about it. An easy tap can take you straight to watching live or to showing details. And you can also find your favorite shows. So you just need to simply go with the search box, look for the search box through the big library, and you just need to type in the name of the show, and you'll be able to see the show and the seasons that you've watched or the episodes that you've watched, and you will have all of the channel guide. So that's how you can see the guide on YouTube TV on your smart TV or on your mobile. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.